Welcome, students. Today, we're going to be going over part 2 of vowel sounds and the sneaky silent E. Do you remember your vowels? Let's go over them. A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels in the 26 English alphabets. Now let's see where the sneaky silent E comes in. Let's take a look at this word. Pip. P, I, p, p, I, p, p, I, p. Pip. Here, the vowel I is taking out its short sound. Now let's take a look at the word pipe. P, I, p, p, I, p, p, I, p. Here, the sneaky E is silent and it makes the vowel I take out its long sound. I, p, I, p, p, I, p, p, I, p. Pipe. Let's take a look at this word. Dim. D, I, m. D, I, m. D, I, m. Dim. Now let's see this word. Dime. D, I, m. D, I, m. D, I, m. Here, the E is silent and makes the vowel I take out its long sound of I. Now let's read this word. Bit. B, it. B, it. B, it. Bit. Is I taking out its short sound or its long sound? Let's take a look at this word. Bite. B-I-T. 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 Bite. Is the vowel I taking out its short sound or its long sound? Let's take a look at this word. Kit. K-it. 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 Kit. Is the vowel I taking out its long sound or its short sound? Let's take a look at this word. Kite. K-I-T. 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 Kite. Is the vowel I taking out its short sound or its long sound?